G'day and welcome back. My name is Dale and today we're making a festive treat that's perfect for this holiday season. Dark chocolate candy cane truffles. These delicious little bites combine the rich dark chocolate with the refreshing flavour of peppermint. Let's get cooking. Combine the butter, cocoa powder and condensed milk in a heavy based pot. Now you don't need to melt the butter first. Some cooks state you'll end up with a smoother mix, but I find throwing it all in together works equally well. Melt the mixture, stirring constantly until smooth and thickened. We're looking for the mixture to be thick enough that it pulls away from the base of the pot, or when you drag your wooden spoon through the mix, it very slowly flows back together. Throw in a good splash of peppermint oil and give it a bloody good stir. Look at that shine. Beautiful. Place into a suitable container and chill the mixture for at least 2 hours or until firm. Scoop out small portions and roll into balls. I'm using a 1 tablespoon measure, the perfect bite size, but you can use whatever you have or just wing it. Continue rolling until the mixture is used up. If your mixture isn't firm enough or warming up too quickly, a visit to the freezer should solve that. Melt the extra chocolate, spoon some onto a plate, and roll each truffle through. While still wet, top each truffle with crushed candy canes, serve, and enjoy. A word of warning for those in humid conditions or wanting to store these in the refrigerator. The crushed candy cane can dissolve, leaving a small sugary droplet on the chocolate, albeit a very tasty droplet. These are best served on the day that you place the crushed candy cane for optimal appearance, but the taste does not suffer. You can always make the truffle and coat with chocolate. Then on the day you wish to serve, add a blob of freshly melted chocolate and sprinkle a candy cane. Happy holidays.